July 27th, we're back at the range today. And you can see we have a paper target and a steel target. And we're going to do something it's a little bit different today. Well, not different, but we're going to do a comparison shooting video between ARs. Rifle length with a 20-inch barrel, mid-length with a 16-inch barrel, and a carbine with a 16-inch barrel. And we're going to talk about how they cycle. Is one more violent than the other? Is one more harder to shoot than the other? So what we're going to do is we're going to take 10 shots with each rifle, 5 on paper and 5 on steel. Here's my rifle system, 20-inch barrel I built. Here is my mid-length 16-inch barrel, which I also built. And of course over there is my Colt 6920 16-inch barrel carbine system. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to work, and we're going to start with the carbine. And yes, I know what you're saying, there's a red dot on here, but we are not going to, for the purpose of this video, we're not going to use the red dot. If you're saying, yes, I have fixed my front post since my last video. Now I'll take 5 with steel. That's a hit. 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 I'll put that in arsenal storage now. Let's go see how we did. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put C for carbine, or carbine. Alright. You've got to be kidding me. Alright, anyway, we'll repaper and we'll go with the mid-length next. Repapered, and now we'll shoot 10 rounds from my 16-inch barrel mid-length. One paper. One steel. Two paper. Two steel. Three paper. Three steel. Four paper. Four steel. Five paper. Five steel. All right. We'll check out how we did. I can tell you all 5 steel shots did hit the target. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One flyer, but let's put it on. All right, folks. One left. Well, I'll try the rifle length one. Five and 5. Now we got a 20-inch rifle system. We're gonna shoot 10 rounds. Where is 5 steel, 5 paper. So should be 10 rounds left in the gun. I'll start steel first. Alright. Alright, 1 and 1. Two hits in the steel. Three hits all in the steel. Three hits on paper. Four hits on steel. Four on paper. Two more shots left. Alright, we got all 5 hits in the steel. There we go. Let's go take a look how we did on the paper. Alright folks, here's the deal. As far as what everyone says about recoil being lighter on the 20-inch rifle systems, and the smaller you go, it gets a little bit more violent. That is true. That is true, but at the same time, I'm going to tell you, I think it's just flat out overrated. Yep, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. One little flyer, been consistent. I've had 4 together and 1 flyer, kind of. Alright folks, here's the deal. As far as recoil goes on carbine lengths and mid lengths and rifle lengths, the 20-inch rifle with the rifle system, yes, it cycles smoother because of just basic physics. The sight radius is better for this because it's longer, and there is less recoil. But if you're considering recoil being an issue in AR15, my opinion, and take it for what it is, don't worry about it. The 5.56 round is not a heavy recoil round for a rifle as it is. It really isn't. I mean, can you feel the difference between the three? Yeah, but it's so small. It's pretty much negligible between the mid-length and the carbine systems. Now, part of that may be because I had the same length barrel. I mean, most mid-lengths usually come with 18-inch. Maybe that would make a difference. I don't know. I never owned an 18-inch mid-length. But the recoil between the mid-length and the carbine is negligible. It's very little. You do notice a difference when you go up to the 20-inch rifle system. It is smoother. It does cycle smoother. But if you're concerned about recoil by an AR-15, my opinion, and take it for what it's worth, do not worry about it. It's really nothing. So whatever AR-15 you buy, you know, just shoot it, practice and train with it, and enjoy it. Alright. We'll go back, we'll compare the 3 paper targets on the rifle, mid-length, the carbine, and we'll close the video. You about the recoil and how I don't feel, other than the rifle system, there isn't much difference between the mid-length and the carbine. Look at the paper targets of the results. We can obviously say that the, well, maybe not, that the rifle 20-inch barrel had the best shot group. 4 together, 1 flyer. Next was the, you can pick and choose, you can see for yourself. Is the carbine that has the best one, or mid? Either way, I think the accuracy of the carbine mid-length and the recoil are pretty much identical. Rifle system is obviously the best. As they shoot in the background. Now, if you're going to ask me, what do I prefer? Well, the question is, what do you want your rifle for? If it's a shit hit the fan gun, and you live in a state where it's very flat and open field, I would definitely go with the 20-inch rifle system, because it has the best sight radius. It's best for long distances. But for someone like me who lives in a state like New York, where there's a lot of mountains and shooting over 100 yards is going to be almost slim to none, I'm going with the carbine. Just that it's easy to carry, it's light to carry. But, you know, military people have been using this to do go door to door many decades before they went to the carbine system. So either way, you're good to go. But if you want the best shooting experience, smoothness, definitely go with the 20-inch barrel rifle system. Alright folks, no matter what you do, practice and train. We'll see you next video. Stay safe, everybody.